Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher. This channel primarily focuses on helping students in grades 11 and 12 physics, chemistry, and math. I myself have a degree in physics, and I teach high school physics, chemistry, and math in Ontario, Canada. My channel has full lesson videos with handouts available for free on my website, youtubephysicsteacher.com. There are short tutorial videos, experiments, and many shorter video series on applying what you're learning into something new. Also, every week I post a walkthrough solution on a past question from a Waterloo Senior Math, Physics, or Chemistry contest. So give them a try to improve your problem-solving skills. To see all that this channel has to offer, take a look at all the different playlists that I have, and if you have any questions or requests for future videos, let me know in the community tab. Thank you, and please consider subscribing so you don't miss any future content.